one is July 26th. It is Monday, 10:29 a.m. I am here in our chat room, and we are learning actually how to make the market go slow for us. And I will show you here in our chat room. We have a lot of individuals. And what I did without actually discussing that I was doing with all these individuals, I just showed the proof after the fact. It was that we took a position right here. This was a place to go short, and this was a place that covered half, and we are still holding that short. I will show you. We originally started with 10 contracts. We covered half, so now we got half, and now we have a boundary of plus a few ticks. And what we are looking for now is to see if this market would come to this point. Now this is just an intermediate run coming to this point here to begin with. A 23% Fibonacci retracement is a place where the market could go for another deep retracement. That's the reason why we took half. But the market is pushing down, and it's just, well, it had a fantastic run up this morning. Making these decisions is not solely on one thing. Making these decisions is totally because of the four elements. First element is mind over matter. It's doing business with the market just because the indicators say so, not because you want to make money, not because of fear or greed. The second one is we do use the picture, the layout of the bars, the patterns. The next one is we do apply Fibonacci's, and Fibonacci is an awesome tool that very few people know how to use them properly. So if you really want a really education how to use Fibonacci's, then you need to visit with us. The other part of the element is the power direction. This is a correlation of 7 different MACDs in 7 different time frames and how to time them. So I'm doing this here to show you that there's definitely a system at work. The market has a systematic way of moving. In applying the 4 elements, without a doubt, you can become profitable in the market. Trading the markets involves a lot of risk. I mean, a person can lose thousands and thousands of dollars. Yet, the same person with a proper education can turn, instead of losing money in the market, can make, oh my goodness, the amount of money is unlimited. But it requires, doing business with the market requires education. It requires a certain way of thinking. Now I started this video in the middle here of what we were discussing, and so I'm going to go back and talk to them. Everybody can still hear me? So now, as we begin with the pullbacks, there was a slowdown here at the 23, but the slowdown is actually insinuating that it's more of a continuation. Does everybody see what I'm saying? Looking at the bars, the slowdown here, it's almost insinuating like a continuation. Can you see what I'm talking about by looking at this picture? All right, so it still looks like it. So this is still not the 23. If it's a slowdown there, it's not the 23. Now, this could be more like the 23. See that now? That could be more like the 23. And so I can also concentrate on what I am talking about here with you. Now, notice the power direction here to our right. Now, those folks in the video, you don't see these. This is something that you will get to see and learn once you join. But all the people here in our chat room can see all the tools. Now, if I look at this here to my right, Look at guys, look at the way this thing can create again. What do you expect from here? What are you expecting the market to do right here, right now? Why don't you type so folks on the video can see that you know what we're talking about? Sideways. Absolutely. So noticing that particular time frame of that power direction, we know we can have sideways effect. All right. So if I'm going to have sideways effect, and by the way, it's already 10:35, it's time to stop doing business, then the thing to do is just to exit your whole position and be done for the day. See, exit the whole position and be done for the day. There is no sense of sitting here and just push it and push it and push it. Let me exit my dome and let me stop this video. So ladies and gentlemen, before I stop the video, I will show you this. Right here, you're looking at a run of 3 points. A run of 3 points. Each box is 5. That's 1, 2, 3 points. 3 points with one contract is $300. 3 points with 10 contracts is $3,000. 3 points with 5 contracts is $1,500. What a beautiful, even coming to the market this morning at the open and not seeing anything and just sitting back and waiting until things are clear for you, the market does give you 2 to 4 opportunities within 1 hour to do business with it. And if you are already an advanced trader that you're doing very well, but it's taking you a whole day to make 3 points, then come here, join us, and let's tweak your trading style and get you to do 3 points in less than an hour. And with that, I will say thank you for watching, for listening. Shalom.